Hello everyone, Kude Art here again. Unwavering Gaze is one of my newer projects. I posted a poll a few weeks ago and this title won 67% of the votes. So thank you for everyone who participated in helping me name this guy. Much appreciated. Here I'm working on his undercoat using one of my new wisp brushes. I'm laying in some detail on his mouth, nose, and eyes using a round number 2. When you're working with fine lines and detail like this, it's best if you add a little bit of water to your paint if you're using acrylic, or linseed oil, or paint thinner if you're using oils. This helps the paint spread more easily for you and more efficiently. Just be careful not to add too much water because then you wind up with a wash. Sometimes I do use a wash, that's only to help blend some of the colors. A wash also works for creating rays of light, like a sunset shining through the trees and things like that. To watch some of my other projects where I do use washes to create rays of light or still water, I will post a link to those videos in the comments of this video. A wolf's fur is very dense. It has a lot of underlayers. This helps them keep warm in the winter and cool in the summer. The sclera, which is the white part of an eye, is most often hidden in wolves and other canine species due to their very dark eyelids. This is why they have a very intense look, or an unwavering gaze. I don't add details to his irises in this video. However, when I do, I will be sure to zoom in. Canine noses are not all black. Some have purple, some have brown, some have other highlights in them. His is mostly black, but it does have some gray and white tints in it. One of my favorite subjects is painting wolves. I just love their face and their color combination. They're so beautiful. If you enjoy watching as I make progress on my painting projects, please be sure to subscribe, like, share, and comment. This is all free and it really helps my channel grow. Let me know in the comments if you like the content of my videos or if you have any other suggestions on how I can improve for a better experience for you. And if you're a fellow artist, a beginner, intermediate, even advanced, and you enjoy my content and get value out of my videos, please let me know. I'd very much appreciate that. I do love to teach as much as I love to paint. I love to share my techniques, my experience, my knowledge, so I will definitely answer any questions you post in the comments. I'm using a fan number 4 to work on his undercoat. If you start out with a good solid base, that will help you achieve a nice finish. Yes, I know the tree behind him is a little wonky. I will fix that, rest assured, but in another video. I plan on combining those individual white spots into bigger clumps of snow on the branch. We'll see how that works out. Thank you so very much for watching all the way to the end. It's very much appreciated. Have a wonderful day. If you're interested in purchasing any of my work, please visit my shop, Kude Art, on Etsy.com.